Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another scam exposure video. Guys, here we go again. Another block shooter / merge app. Everyone, let me just tell you this. If you ever see a merge app or a block shooter app that promises PayPal, real life money and rewards, please just uninstall it, dude. I'll be putting up real life players reviews throughout this whole video, going crazy. Pretty much people are saying this is the biggest scam going around right now, okay? Let's do this. I'm going to give it a try and I'll give you my honest thoughts on it. We're going to play it for about 8 minutes. That's all I need to do to make a video here on YouTube. 8 minutes. I'm choosing the minimum amount of playtime for this app. Dude, I hate these scam apps, dude. 100%. And I'm so happy in saying that as well, okay? You guys need to be aware about how scammy these apps are, okay? Let's do this. Block shooter. Here we go. Okay, 2. Instantly get greeted with a a PayPal reward here. Congratulations. Alright, I'm not going to watch an ad. I don't want to get... Actually, no. Let's see how much PayPal money they give me for watching the ad. $66. Here we go again. Another massive red flag, everyone. If you guys are not familiar with my channel, I play all types of scam applications, obviously scam applications, whatever. Literally, this is the biggest tell ever, bro. Guys, if you ever see an app reward you 66 USD, but you need to get to 100 to cash out, you can be damn sure this is a scam. This is a scam, 100 million %. Let's keep going here. I mean, I'm sure the premise of the app itself is pretty cool. Like, if this was a real app, if this was like just a genuine app that didn't promise real life money, I'm sure people would actually play it. Because it doesn't seem that bad, everyone. It seems pretty solid, bro. I'm not going to lie to you. But we got problems here. They are instantly giving me... Look, another PayPal. Watch an ad, get PayPal reward. No, I'm not going to. Dude, it's a scam already. I can already tell. It's crazy how all these apps operate the same way. And as I said, everyone, I'll be putting up real life players reviews. Don't just take my word for it. Take the word of honest, hard-working people that have sat through and played this absolute disgrace of an app, alright? I can... look, another red flag, okay? I just pressed escape. I just literally tapped escape. I don't want to watch an ad, and it forces an ad on you anyway. What is the point, bro? What is the point? It actually hurts me physically and emotionally that how rigged and fixed these apps really are. It's incredible to me, guys. Google will do nothing about this, by the way. Just an FYI. Google will do absolutely nothing about this. And do you know why Google will do nothing about this? Because it's earning them money. Guys, do me a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you haven't already. I am trying to grow my channel here into something a little bit more serious. So then maybe Google will take me seriously one day. Because I'm the only person right now that is actually calling these apps out for what they are. And it's genuine scams. Now, mind you, I'm the only person that I've seen. Okay, if there are other people out there on YouTube, please let them know they're legends. But I haven't found anyone yet, bro. It just keeps spitting ads out of you guys. How do you not think this is going to be a scam, bro? Look, $100 to cash out, right? But the problem is, if I watch those ads, I really don't want to watch the ads, guys, because I know what's going to happen. And I know exactly how these apps work. What's going to happen is, eventually, they're going to actually start telling me to, I guess... watch more ads, and then the rewards will get lower and lower. So let's watch this. I want to watch an ad on purpose here. What is this? Oh my god, look at these people. I can't handle these people, bro. Can't handle this. Make money everywhere with Block Go.
I play it at work, I play it everywhere. The best thing about it is you can
listen to these voices.
Money. I'm talking about big
$680 from Block Go. Alright, I'll remember that. I'll remember that, Block Go. Let's see. I want $680, Block Go. I'm going to play Block Go on my channel. Keep an eye out. $2 reward. Okay, so we go from $66 reward to $2 reward. Do you not see the problem there, everyone, already? And I bet it's going to get lower and lower as time goes on here, okay? 100%. Dude, I'm angry. Very, very angry right now with this app, legitimately. It kills me, bro, how this is even allowed on Google right now. It just absolutely kills me. I mean, I don't know if Google's ever going to do anything about it. Probably not. I mean, let's be real, everyone. Do you reckon Google's really going to care about this app? I don't. I definitely don't. So let's have a look to. This is all the app is, by the way. Just keep merging over and over again. I actually should have put. Actually, do you know what? I might get rid of that. Remove a block. There we go. Let's remove that block. There we go. So put the 4 there. Put the 4 there. 8 into 16. Guess we'll build 8 onto the 16 there. 2 into 4. Congratulations. You got some more PayPal money. Watch an ad. What's the ad going to reward me this time? So the amount of money I'm giving these developers right now is probably through the roof, by the way, for watching these pathetic ads. Just an FYI. What's this ad now? Puzzle Roller 3D. Best puzzle game of the year. Oh my god, I'm so done in. Anyway, so something needs to be done about this because these apps are scamming so many people. It's beyond a joke, man. Google needs to do something, but they won't. Because guess what? It makes them money. It's pathetic. It is pathetic, everyone. I've played over, easily now, 50 or 60 of these scam apps. Like, actual scam apps. I've done, or maybe even more, actually. Do you know what? Take it back. In total, I've probably played about 124 apps, right? On my channel now. $1.30 USD. I went from $2 reward to $1.30 USD. That is so bad, dude. That is so freaking bad, man. And for the people that are actually trying to play this app and make money out of it, I feel so bad for you, dude. Legitimately, I really do. Like, what are you going to do right now for the people that... Like, guys, this is terrible. This is actually terrible. And you guys out there are getting scammed. I mean, what should I... It just makes me sick, bro. It makes me sick. There's people out there probably wasting all their day on these apps. And they have no idea how much of a scam it is. It's terrible. It's actual terrible. And Google's going to do nothing about it, as I said. Just an FYI, everyone. Google will do absolutely nothing about it. Another PayPal ad. Nope. So you've seen the low rewards. We've seen the gimmicks here at the start where they reward you with huge money to make you keep playing. It's just one big fix. One big scam, everyone. Upgrade selected block. Okay, I want to upgrade that. What does that do? 64. Wow, that's great. Okay, 1,024 coins to get... Okay, there we go. What's the point? How do I get more coins? Not enough coin. Okay, well, how do I get more coin? Don't even know. Replay. Whoa, I just went replay and it started the whole thing over again. Okay, then. That was interesting. Wasn't expecting that, but that's okay. Congratulations. So you can just keep playing forever, essentially. Oh, another ad. Guys, I mean, you can tell Block Shooter is the... It's just like every other app out there, bro. I mean, it's common sense now at this point. Do you guys really think this is going to be real? Cube Rotator 3D. Alright, mate. Alright. Alright, dude. I'll give that a try eventually as well. I'm just going to keep going after all these scams that keep advertising all over Google. It's the only thing to do, bro. But yeah, stay away from Block Shooter. 100% stay away from it. It's a joke. It's a scam. It needs to be deleted.